Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to reactivate or recover your deleted TikTok account. You will be able to restore or recover your deleted TikTok account before the 30 days of your account deletion. Suppose you deleted your TikTok account and you want to reactivate it, or maybe somehow your account got deleted due to some TikTok policy violation. Here is what to do. Open TikTok app and then tap on Login. Tap on Use Phone, Email, Username. Remember that you have to know your phone number or email address that you used for TikTok sign up, or your TikTok username and your TikTok login password. Enter any one of your username or phone number or email. And then, enter your old login password. Then hit Login. You will be asked if you want to reactivate your account. Tap on Reactivate button. This is how you can reactivate your deleted TikTok account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.